This water looks epic. There we go. Yes! Guys. Come on, buddy. Stay on. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Castfly. Glad you could join me today. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, just out getting it done today. Trying to find good days to come out and fish. It's been difficult. Had a great time chasing smallmouth today and found a bunch of them and just had a good day. Had a lot of fun. Been dodging the weather all day. I hope you guys are finding the time to get outdoors and get your boots wet. Very important. I always say that. I know I keep saying it, but for your mental health and everything else, you know, get some exercise in and just free the mind. So hope you guys are doing that. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you being here today. And for all you longtime subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and liking our videos and commenting. It means the world to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really helps me out. And man, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a good one. Thanks. Oh, no. No. Got a taste of that hook. He's not coming back. Dang it. Man. There we go. Oh no. Dang it. What the heck? It's one of those days, guys. Lost a fish, but got a fly in the face. Some quick ducking action for a 50-year-old plus guy. Now I gotta dig a fly out of the back of my shirt. Oh man. That was a nice one. Felt like I had a good hook set. I don't know what happened. All right, I'm gonna have to take my shirt off, I guess, because I can't reach it. There we go. Gosh dang it, guys. What? That's 3. I'm finding them, just not netting them. I'm good at finding them. Dang, let's check out the hook. Oh, we're good. There we go. Come on, stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Oh my gosh, come on, buddy. Come on. I've missed 3, guy. Okay, you gotta come into the net, man. Gosh, it's strong. Get out of that current. Yeah. All right, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Guys. Woo! That's a nice one. Let's get this guy released. Whew. That was a beast. We got one. Woo! All right. It's raining a little bit. Rain never hurt nobody though, right? Thunder, yeah, okay. Thunder just tells you that maybe there's some possible lightning that's coming. That's our PSA today. If you're out fishing in general and you're wading in the water, you probably should get out of the water and put your fly rod down and hang out under nature's canopy or something for a little bit and let things calm down. Yeah, stay safe out there. Oh my gosh. Definitely had a bite. A nibble. There we go. Bad hook set. Bad hook set. Oh man, come on. Whew. All right. Beautiful little fish. Later, dude. Love ya. Yeah, I'll show you guys how organized I am. That's me. I try, man. I try to keep things organized, but dang. All right. Oh. Oh. I don't know what that was, but it came out hard. Oh my gosh. I saw it come from behind. Before I cast it, I could see a wake. It's a V cutting off in the water. Dang. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was funny. I don't know if that's him, but dang. What up, buddy? That's a little guy. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's get this guy out of here. See you, bud. That was awesome. There's one. Little guy. What's up, buddy? Heck yeah. Hang on. I'll get you out of here. I promise. Beautiful. Whoa. Oh, guys. I saw one. Uh-oh. We got some lightning. Let's get out of here. Dang it. Ah. It's a little wet. There he is. Yeah. Yeah. All right, buddy. Let's get you in here. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. You got yourself in a mess here, buddy. Nah, you're good. Look at that little guy. Dude, you flopped when you should have just, you know. Oh, yes. What up, buddy? Oh. All right. No death roll, please. Not today. Little guy. Love you, man. See ya. Let's go back in those weeds. Boom. Come on. Where's your daddy at? Come on. There's somebody. Yep. All right. And a little hot spot. I'll take it. Later, buddy. Whew. Alright guys, I had to switch to my phone as a backup, so I don't know how stable it is. I've never shot with it on my chest before, so I'm sure it's a lot better quality. So if you see a difference, that's what's happened. I switched over. I got a new camera set up and a new battery pack. And today was really the first day I got to kind of fully test it to see kind of how long it would last for me. And when I left today, I realized this new power pack was not fully charged. Oh! There's a little one. Little something, I don't know. Little smallie. Yep, sure is. Little baby. Little baby. Oh! Dude, you're out of here. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh no! No! No, 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 no. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh. I'm heartbroken. That was a nice fish, guys. Oh man. There we go, guys. That's a monster. That is our PB of the day. Oh gosh, that dude. Oh, stay on, buddy. Oh my gosh. Come on, bud. Come on. Well, maybe he is a little smaller. No? He's about the same as that first nice one we caught today. Beautiful fish. Guys. Oh my gosh. Hang on, bud. You're getting us all tangled up here, buddy. Just hang on. Look at that guy. That is just beautiful. Let's get you out of here, buddy. That was a killer fish, guys. Whew. Oh. right on the wiggle, man. Mending that line back a little bit, just enough to give it some pause. He took it, man. Ooh. Well, we definitely found the little ones. Which, I mean, I'm always happy about, because that means there's spawning going on and these fish are reproducing down here, and it's always just, it's a blessing. There you go, buddy. Later. Thank you. There we go. Little guy. Come on, buddy. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. What's up, buddy? See you, buddy. Have a good one. There we go. Yes! Guys. Come on, buddy. Stay on. That's a freaking beast. Let's go. That's a nice one, guys. Oh my gosh. Right in the shallows, man. Come on, buddy. Guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Gosh. Here it is, guys. Oh man. This is beautiful surf. Oh my gosh. What a day. Fine, I'll do it. I'll make one more cast. Right here. I knew it. I knew you guys would do this to me. So I was heading back. Just trying to get back. You know? Just trying to get back to the truck, go home. That's all. Come on. Oh, another one? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no.